Going to get firewood on Saturday. The man. So, how are you?
Good. Hi.
Oh, you kissed me outside. Oh, nice. That was just very sweet. Thank you. So, it's supposed to snow some more. What time is it going to snow?
What's that?
What time is it supposed to snow?
It's at about 10 or 11.
Not too much, maybe like a couple 4 inches. Come on, Henry. It's cold out here, but it feels good. Sometimes when I come out, I have this thing I'm supposed to do. It helps calm you down. It's like deep breathing exercises. You just stop and breathe deep. I also have an app on my phone that trains you how to breathe. Come on. Because people don't breathe right. They breathe too shallow. Come on, Henry. When you're outside in the cold, it feels really refreshing. Like you. Breathe in. Breathe out. And who does that? We're all like, because we're crazy. It's so pretty out here today. Look at this. John's getting wood over there from the wood pile. Filling up the little wood. Hey, that little cart is very functional. He likes my garden cart for wood gathering.
One of these days I'm going to do like a big fire in the fire pit when it's like cold out with snow on the ground. I think that'd be fun.
I just wish the fire pit was closer to the house.
No. And the sparks will burn down the house.
Yeah, that would be nice. Keep your wife warm. Keep her happy. Look at him. He's so cute. With his dad jeans on. Good morning, Schmoopy. Your Saturday nurse is back. Hi, honey. What's this shirt say? The Temple Bar. Oh, you've been going to bars in Ireland? Huh? Have you been going to bars in Ireland? Theoretically, you could, you know, you're old enough. What you doing? Huh? You look content. Mom's gonna be around today. I got some things to do here. We're gonna put some Christmas decorations away and maybe, right? Yeah. I was thinking maybe we could make snowflakes. Keep having that idea. I have white paper upstairs. We could want to make snowflakes? Yeah? I wish I had those cool scissors. At school they have adapted scissors that he can like push and cut. We should get some of those for home. Huh. We didn't do stuff today? It's Saturday. It's going to snow, so we're not really going. This is my new Erin Condron planner. I never had one before. So, I'm just sitting here on a Saturday morning. I took the dog out. John brought me a really nice cup of coffee. So anyway, Sarah and I decided this year we were both going to order a planner for Christmas, and they came because we had to special order them. In the past 2 years I've used ones like I bought one at Target and just wrote on it, but it started to fall apart really easy, and I've gotten back to using a manual planner more than my phone, so I decided to kind of take it up a notch, and look how pretty it is. Yes, Flamingos are my favorite. I love them because I love Florida, and that's kind of my dream. I'm just wondering if this year we'll be able to go. It was really hard on me. I really want to go. So it's really cool. It's a life planner. But I did the horizontal layout, which is, you can, you know, it's got a lot of really positive goal setting stuff and strategizing. But I did horizontal because I have, well, it gives you like a month at a glance, and then you can do it in smaller ones, but I like it this way because I write a lot and change a lot of things. Every month you get a different saying, and they give you lots of like stickers, and I don't know. There's a lot to this, but it's beautiful, and I'm very excited to use it. I am not an expert at, you know, planners, you know, playing with me, but I do have a lot of things to manage with all of these kids, especially Daniel, especially with having YouTube and having a job at insurance and taking care of the dog and his needs and training. Daniel's, you know, 13 doctors and just everything with the house. So this should be fun to try. It's got lots of places for notes, and you can add and take away stuff. You can buy more stickers, all different kinds. I mean, if you look at, I don't know if you're a planner, I'm not crazy, you know, because this is new to me. Some people really enjoy planning a month ahead, and they use stickers, and I'm going to try to do some more meal planning this year because it's all kind of part of controlling my fibromyalgia a little better, losing weight and helping John with his cholesterol, and helping Thomas, who also needs to lose weight and be healthier. So always see the glass half full. This is so me, though. Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Yes, we're looking for that joy. It's waiting. You always have time for the things you put first. Did you ever think about that? Yeah. You're capable of wonderful things. This is really beautiful, to be honest with you. Love is all around us. So here we are in the new year. And this is not blank because my preliminary January calendar in my other one is like covered already. So I just started adding things. I'm going to use their stickers, and then, I don't know, you guys, what do you use? Do you have a planner system? Do you use Erin Condron? Do you like it? I'm curious. They were a little bit expensive, but it is absolutely beautiful. It's got notes. I like the quality of the rings because my other one, the rings like broke and the pages kept falling out because I carry it with me everywhere I go. I used to just use my phone. For like 5 years, I just used a phone calendar. But then I found that I just, the more I was having like brain fog with fibro, I started to read that physically writing things down is more effective for your brain memory. So look at all the stickers. Did you see this? Look at this. Come here. You got to see this planner. It is amazing. Anyway, look at how excited he is about my planner.
Oh my god, it's got flamingos on it. It's so cool.
No, but look. It's like a beautiful sunset version of Franklin Planner.
Very good. Are you happy?
I am, because
Merry Christmas.
you know I have a problem remembering things. That's a stress toy. Try it.
Okay. In a minute.
Very creative, so I'm sure like I'll start to decorate it and have fun with it. But that's mine. And I'm sure Sarah will show hers on her YouTube channel. So if you go to Sarah's YouTube channel, if you go to my main page, my main channel description, Sarah's links are there. If they're not, let me know. But I'm sure will show her planner. She did a different color, a different cover. It's very beautiful, like floral watercolory looking thing. And her name was in gold. But we just did this for me. I would have done my name in gold. I don't know why I didn't, but I like it a lot. Isn't it nice? It's so pink. It is so me. Like, this is Julie. This screams Julie. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for my planner, Erin Condron Company. It is going to be a journey into, sometimes I'll think of things and I'll be like, oh yes, I have to do that. If I don't write it down at that moment when I think about it, I might totally forget what my thought was. And it was probably something important. You know, I'm achy, but that's okay. Maybe I'll take a bath. I have these Epsom salts with Himalayan salt in them. Maybe I'll do that later. I don't know. I don't know. What are you doing today? How's your Saturdays? What do you guys do on the weekends? I never know. It just depends on Daniel, really, and Thomas's schedule and life. Today, Sarah's at work till 5. It is quiet. Sleeping. He's twitching. It's snowing out now. Look. Stop pouting. It's snowing outside. Still snowing. Snowing and snowing. Heavy. Heavy, heavy snowing. Snowing and snowing. Look at all the snow, hen. What are you going to do with that snow? Play with it? Eat it? Snow is falling. That's all there is to report. Snow is falling. It's snowing out. Sparkly snow. Henry, it's gonna be a little deep, honey. It's a snowy night. Come on. Probably gonna get pretty cold fast out here, little one. It's very, very fluffy. Powdery sugar. Come on. Oh. Somebody's playing somewhere. I hear kids laughing. Kind of worried about Sarah. She's at work still. The nurse is going to leave a little early just to get home safely. It's beautiful out. Look how beautiful. It's right up to his belly. He's pulling his body through the snow. Come on, honey. You're going to be so cold. Trees are all covered. Come on. Come on. Come on up this way, silly. There he goes. Get you. You're so silly. Come on. Get you. Come on, monkey. Let's go in the house. We're getting snow. was a snowy day, wasn't it, huh? You went to sleep now? All set for sleepies? Okay, let's tuck you in. Alrighty. Office. Anyway, now I said I'm gonna do the live chat, and it was like queue position 22, but I'm at 6. So I don't know what happened, which I paid. So maybe they shut it off.